Hello and welcome to this Pentair Minutes to Proficient video. For today's topic, we will tear down a premium hydraulic motor. For today's demo, we will be tearing down a Pentair Hypro 2540 series premium motor at our lab in New Brighton, Minnesota. We hope you enjoy this video. The tools required to service a Pentair Hypro premium hydraulic motor include a vise, a crescent wrench, a 9/16 wrench, a 1/4-inch wrench, a 1/4-inch Allen wrench, a straight screwdriver, an arbor press, a length of 1-inch pipe, and a set of medium snap ring pliers. First, put the motor in the vise, with the shaft facing down. Make sure to clamp the jaws onto the motor body, and not onto the shaft. Use the crescent wrench to remove the port adapters. Next, remove the 9/16 jam nut from the bypass screw, and then remove the washer. Use the 1/4-inch wrench to remove the bypass screw. A new bypass screw gasket is supplied in the seal repair kit. Now, remove the 4 1/4-inch Allen bolts. With the bolts removed, slide off the end plate and inspect the machined surface for any scoring or damage. Replace as necessary. Next, remove the G-rotor housing. Some loss of the inner coating due to normal use is expected. Inspect the area, and if you feel scratches deep enough to pick up with your fingernail, replace the G-rotor housing. Now, we will remove both the inner and outer portions of the G-rotor. Remove the key. Now, we will move over to the arbor press to press out the shaft. First, remove the large snap ring. If there is excess resistance in removing this, use the 1-inch pipe and apply some pressure to the snap ring to help free it up. Now, use a flathead screwdriver to remove the C-clip. With the snap ring removed, turn the motor over and press out the shaft assembly. To tear down the shaft assembly, start by using a screwdriver to take off the large retaining ring. With the retaining ring removed, slide off the thrust washer, the thrust bearing, and then the second thrust washer. Next, use the press to remove the bearing and seal from the shaft. Make sure to slide these off in the proper direction, taking care to avoid sliding over the retainer groove. Using this technique will help protect the seal from damage. With all the components removed, inspect the oil seal area of the shaft for any damage and replace as needed. This completes the teardown of the premium hydraulic motor. Please see additional videos for the rebuild. Thank you and have a great day.